Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the transmission. This is my first time ever going into a transmission. I'm installing my B&M Shift kit that I bought, picked it up from Amazon. So be installing that. Already got my valve body bolts loose. Go ahead and pull this valve body off and see what we got to do. So stay tuned, I'll bring y'all back in. Alright, so got these. Put them over the rest of the bolts. I think I should play two. Oh, these are the bolts. I'm just checking to see how everything works as I'm taking it off. I forgot one. Now the check balls, from what I looked up on YouTube, are supposed to be up underneath these plates here, so try to pick them up easy. Alright, so I done brought y'all closer. Like I said, there's 4 check balls in here. Got one right there, 2, 3, and 4. So you got to pull them out. And matter of fact, let's look at the instructions real quick first. I looked at the instructions, so all these check balls got to come out, all 4 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to pulling them out, and it's 3, 4. Oh, all right, that's all 4. All right, so from the information that I gathered watching this video, went ahead and pulled all the check balls out, and then pretty much what they want you to do is your support plate here, flip it over the opposite side of where your bolts were at, so flip it over and make sure you ain't got no hot spots and no sharp edges and stuff. But you know, just read the instructions. This ain't no how-to video, this is just me doing it. So, and then they want you to clean your valve body, the bottom of your valve body, you know, make sure ain't no leftover gasket up there. That's pretty much it. And same thing with this right here. Clean all this, remove the little residue that's up there. I'm using some brake clean. So I'm pulling the parts out the bag, looking at everything, and boom, look at that. One of the gaskets for the separator plate is ripped. The other one is straight so far from what I've seen, but this one here is ripped. So I'm not even about to spend no extra money. I'm gonna bag this back up, put it back in the box, send it back, exchange it for another one. Hopefully that one there should be straight. So new shift kit came, the replacement. Contacted Amazon, let them know what's going on. They sent out a new one. Now I just got to send the old one back. But that came, already been through it, make sure all the gaskets and everything was good. On this one here, my modulator came. I forgot that I even ordered that, but that came. And not only that, my cross member came. No, this is not a G-force cross member. This is just a eBay knockoff or whatever. But I'm gonna make sure that fit. As long as that fit, ain't no need of dropping a little over $300 for a G-Force cross member where you can get the exact same design for a little less than half of that price. So that's that. Take that other, $140, $150 you'll spend or whatever, and put that somewhere else in your car. But so I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking on this. I ain't gonna really go into detail because I ain't never done this before, so ain't no need to trying to show y'all. I'm just gonna follow the instructions. There's plenty of videos just showing y'all what I'm doing. All right, so we got everything back together. Transmissions in the car, new cross member, new shift modulator. Let's see, got the shift kit in. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We slowly chipping away at this thing. Now we just gotta hit this rear end. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video.